Hello everyone, this is Amna with Flavor Hours. So today we are making biryani. Biryani is everyone's all-time favorite. It is a very famous dish of India and Pakistan. People all over the world love biryani now. So let's get into it and let's see how we're gonna make it. First, we're gonna take a chicken, and this is the Sindhi Biryani Laziza spice mix I'm using to make my biryani. It's my country's brand and it is so yummy and tasty. Please try it. So I'm taking 1 cup of yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and I will pour all the mixture, all the spice mix of Laziza biryani mix on top of the chicken. So mix them all together nicely, the yogurt, ginger garlic paste, chicken, and the spice mix of Laziza biryani mix. Mix them all up together in a bowl and marinate it for about 1 hour. So all the spices, all the taste of yogurt, ginger, garlic paste gets into that chicken. Once your chicken is marinated for 1 hour, we are going to take 1 medium chopped onion and we are going to fry it until it's golden brown. After your onion turns golden brown, we're going to put our marinated chicken in the onions, or we're going to fry the chicken for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then we're going to add 3 medium chopped tomatoes, and I also add some of the tomato sauce. It's unsalted, remember, and you can get it from anywhere. And we are going to let cook all the ingredients together for about 15 to 20 minutes till all the water from the chicken has dried up and there is gravy left. But remember, we have to all dry up the gravy. There should be no gravy left. It should not be watery. It should be like a thick masala, thick paste. Next step is we're gonna boil the rice, and we're gonna boil the rice until they're 80% done, not 100%. Take the boiled rice in an aluminum foil tray and make a first layer of your rice. On top of the first layer of rice, put your chicken masala on top of your rice and spread it. Don't put all the masala at one spot. You want to spread the masala and the chicken gravy all over the rice, not at just one spot. Then you're going to repeat the same step. You're going to take your rice, put it on top of this chicken and cover all the chicken with the rice, and then you're going to repeat the same steps over and over again until your rice and chicken gravy is finished. And then I put some food coloring on top of the rice and cover it with aluminum foil and let it cook in the oven for about 20 minutes. And our biryani is ready. It's really yummy and tasty. Please try it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you next time.